Hello, this is changing the light in the glove box of the 2003 to 2011 Lincoln Town Car. And this is the front of it. This is what you'll be looking at when you open up the glove box. 10mm nut, and it's the only thing that screws to hold this up. So we just take off the nut. This is the light fixture from the glove box, and there's the light bulb right there. So we change it. Just squeeze gently, not too hard, and just pull upward. And there it is, that's the socket. Take this LED bulb, which has 6 LEDs, 2, 4, and 6. And we put it on here. I'm doing it this way because it's a lot easier for me to do it. The other way around with it connected would be more difficult. So I suggest take this off to make it easier. We put the bulb in, it's already on. And now we're gonna hook it up and see if it turns on. Right now, we're by the glove box here. The same way I'm gonna put it on is the same way you're gonna take it off, so you're gonna see it. Here's the switch right now, the light bulb switch, and here's the connector, the wire for it to connect to the light bulb. I'm gonna put it right now. It has to be grounded, so. There's the bolt right there. And it's just like that. So we're gonna go screw it on. Put it between the bolt, like that. Take the nut, screw it in by hand first. There it is, screwing it in. Alright. Tighten this up. Now let's see if it'll, you can see it turns off when you hit this button here. So let's see if that works. If it's stand up through here now, glove box, push that part in, and the other same on the other side. Now it's locked in. Now push this in. There it is. Yep, perfect. And then you take this piece right here. This brings it down slowly. Right over here on this far end. And you bring it through that hole. And that's it. Now it opens up like that. Here is that piece. That's the cable wire that makes it go down slow when you open up the glove box. And to take that off is real simple. You give it a little lift and you push down on it. There's another slot hole, then it goes through that hole and then it comes right out. And there it is. You put it back, the same thing. Put it through there, through the hole, and then there you go. And that's it. That's how that works. Perfect. And this is how you change the light bulb in the glove compartment from 2003 to 2011 Lincoln Town Car. Thank you for watching.